ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಲೂ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ನಡುವೆ ನಡೆಯುವ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. Good morning, sit down. Now let me take attendance. Okay sir. Vihan, present sir. Kumar, he has not come sir. Why he didn't come? He missed the bus. Okay, warn him. Sir, he has been coming. May I come in sir? Yes, come in. Why you are late? Sorry, I missed the bus. Don't repeat it. Okay sir, not again. Are you complete the homework? Sorry sir, I am not. Why you are? I was sick yesterday. Don't tell me lie. No sir, I am sure. What happened to you? I had cold fever. Really? Yes sir. Are you taken the medicine? Yes sir. Mahesh, are you too? No sir, I am done. Then show me. It's been here sir. Well done my boy. Now all read the books. We are done sir. Now write it down. Now tell me, what should we do? Tomorrow complete all this homework. Got it sir. Now time is over. Sir, may I go to washroom? Yes, be quick. Sir, I have a doubt. What is that? I didn't understand. I will solve tomorrow. Now we may go home? Yes, all of you go home. Bye bye sir. Bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, like and share.